In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your WooCommerce email template. Incorporating your logo is a great way to bring a professional touch to your communications and enhance brand recognition. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the WooCommerce settings. To do this, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once there, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see the WooCommerce tab in the navigation menu. Hover over it to reveal a list of options and click on Settings. Once inside the WooCommerce settings, direct your attention to the top menu tabs and select Emails. This section is where all the magic happens, concerning the customization of your email notifications that WooCommerce sends out for various activities, like order confirmations and status updates. Now, scroll down gently until you reach the section labeled Email Template. This area is filled with options that you can tweak to make your emails look just the way you like, but for today, we'll focus on adding a logo. Within the Email Template section, you'll see a field marked Header Image. This is the specific setting where you can add your logo. To place your logo in the email template, you have a couple of options. You can either upload a fresh image from your computer, or, if you already have your logo saved in your WordPress media library, simply paste the URL from there. If you're uploading a new image, click on the Upload button next to the Header Image field. Once clicked, a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to select the desired image from your computer files. Make sure your logo is in a size ideal for emails. Around 300 pixels wide and 100 pixels tall usually works well. This keeps your branding visible without taking up too much space. On the other hand, if your logo is already in your media library, it's very straightforward. Just open the media library, select your logo, and you'll find the URL of the image in Details. Copy this URL and paste it into the Header Image field directly. After you've uploaded the logo or pasted the URL, the final step is to ensure you save your settings. Simply scroll down to the very bottom of the page and hit the Save Changes button. This ensures your logo is properly embedded into the email template and appears in your outgoing WooCommerce emails. By following these steps, you can proudly showcase your brand logo in every WooCommerce email sent to your customers. Not only does it look professional, but it also strengthens your brand's identity every time someone receives an email from you. Keep in mind, this process can be revisited whenever you need to update your logo or make further changes. Thanks for joining me, and happy branding!